So that is made up of 3,200 photos. Special Cory moments captured. Ayan.
When she passed away almost a year ago, I must admit that at first I was a bit concerned that public support for the principles that she stood for had waned over the years. Did they feel that her struggle for truth, justice, and freedom, was it still relevant to them? At her passing, who would continue the good fight? The burden that she once carried is now upon me. She managed to overcome it with the help of the people. I hope and pray that you will also be by my side so that the change that we committed to work on together will soon become a reality. Thank you and good day.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pull! Palapakan naman dyan. 250 feet by 200 photo mosaic composed of 3,200 photographs of Cory moments conceived by individuals who love President Cory. And of course, her legacy will live on and her principles through his son, now President Aquino. Mabuhay si Cory Aquino. Mabuhay si Noynoy Aquino. Mabuhay ang Pilipino.
Sir, what can you say about the photo mosaic?
Siyempre maraming memories na inilisip. Pati yung location Dito yung siguro culminating activities before EDSA, yung call for the boycott. So all of these images are going through my mind. And also, si Mayor Lim, Vice President Jojo, all of us who were there, and a lot of the people who are here. Collectively, yung memories natin about those periods. And siguro, there are just so many emotions going through me right now.
You miss your mom now, sir, after 1 year?
Well, I frequently miss my mom. But tomorrow seems to be really, parang curious ka rin na one year na pala. Pero the missing is still intense.
Sir, what can you say naman po din sa outpouring of yung pong pagtanggap sir ng mga tao sir dun sa launching ng photo mosaic right now, sir?
Well, nakaka-touch rin siyempre itong mga kabataan, makadete yata sila. Pero parang daman-daman lang. And obviously, they weren't even born when a lot of these events, especially EDSA, was happening. Kung nakikita nila yung value nung ginawa ng sambayanan, kung pagpapatuloy nila yung paghahangad ng kabutihan ng kapwa nila, bakit hindi tayo gaganda bilang isang bansa, isang sambayanan?
Sir, would it have been different if your mom was alive today at naging president?
Well, I don't know if I would have become president if my mother was around. No, I would have fulfilled my duties as Senator of the Republic. And, di ba, dami naman talagang fears na she was the leader, the inspiration, the guide, even the moral authority, no? Nung wala na siya, how do you rally everybody to the cause? And if the people are not united, you would not have been able to overcome the past dispensation. But I guess, di ba, God really has very good plans for all of us. So, and this was a necessary step leading to the triumph of the people in the last elections.
Sir, another issue, sir, right now po may mga cancelled and delayed flights yung PAL. Because marami po mga piloto na hindi pumasok because they are being recruited by the foreign airline. What can you say, sir, about the problem on brain drain, sir?
Well, meron naman tayong hinahabol na para to reverse that, especially in the engineering sciences field. May private sector initiative, meron tayong mga compatriots who are in America and the Silicon Valley who are embarking on that, and together with the Ayala Foundation here in the country. No? Ngayon yung sa brain drain, I was just talking briefly with Secretary Ping para to give me a small briefer of actually what is transpiring. At yung araw issue, no? Marami hong napapirate sa ating mga piloto. I understand PAL will be coming up with the revised schedules by tomorrow, and I'm expecting Secretary De Jesus and other concerned agencies to start talking to PAL because PAL has obligations under yung forgot the legal term, pero they are a public conveyance. They have commitments to service the interests of the public, and if this is not being met, that has to be addressed.
Teka lang, huwag mo muna pala.
Yung text lang sa amin, I'm having a different agency look into it and check whether or not there was such a leak and who actually was part of that leak, if there was such a leak.
Asa may inuusin na po kayo?
In-house, that is in addition to all the other duties that group has. So if there was, I apologize. We believe we had very good, we were editing it maski a few hours before the delivery of the SONA. So I would be very, very surprised if anybody would have gotten a hard copy of what we were doing because there was only one person who actually he was distributing to all. If at all, may distribution, we gave advance copies dapat to the Senate and the House leadership and to senior members of the party. And some of them said they never received their copies. So yun ang kailangan namin i-fine-tune. Baka naman may nakaagaw na mga kopyang address to other people.
Nagtatama kasi mga lahat actually mga nag-cover sa inyo para may bias sa yung Congo, ilang officials ng Congo and na-share sa
since I don't have a bias, my people should not have a bias also. And I think you will all be witnesses to the fact that I entertain everybody if I can. No? So, and regardless if it's a national organization or even a regional or even a provincial organization, wala tayong pinipili. So, if at all, baka naman talagang fine-tuning paano na systems and procedures. And I've called their attention to it.
So, nag-start na ba kayo mag-empake para sa mag-impact?
Kahapon, pero hindi pa ako kami naglipat na maski nung bagay. Tapos meron lang akong appointment sa dentista ko ngayon na isa't kalahating taon na ako nag-impact.
Sir, do you have exact date? Sir,
You hope to
Pag we
get out of the shadows of your parents, lalo na yung sa mother, because they say na kaya ka nagbigay sila ng pagkasahan that triggered the calls for you.
Well, yung getting out of their shadows, para bang I'll make my own mark. I think what I've always stated, is that I am continuing the fight that both of them have rendered for the people. So why is there a need to reinvent the wheel? Why is there a need to digress and diverge from what they were fighting for? What they were fighting for was right. So I don't see a need to move away from anything that they had fought for. And if I fail in comparison to them, okay na sa akin yun. Basta the end result is the aspirations are achieved.
Sir, do you have exact date?
Kung pwede, last question na. Sorry.
Galing sir, pinilipat sir ng
Wala pa ako ng isang t-shirt dun. So, baka naman pagdating ng Lunes, wala akong maisuot pagpasok sa opisina. At yun naman ang sasabihin sa akin, hindi ko binigyan ng dignidad yung opisina natin.
Sir, will that be in August?
No, I guess by next week. Pero meron yung ilang beses na rin naman kami naglipat sa buhay namin at every time naglilipat kami nawawala. Pag baka naman yung mawala, importante pa. Hindi naman masyado doon sa clothes, pero pati yung mga papers sa pinag-aaralan ko, etc. No matter how you organize it, parati may nawawala. Pero by next week siguro.
Pero magagawa ba tayo instruction sa NIA yung nangyaring kayo sa Philippine Airlines kasi nag-alisan yung mga piloto nila baka kasi blunder to sa image ng Philippines sa tourism.
Well, may instructions na po ang Secretary of Secretary of Transportation Communications. Nire-review rin ng labor. Labor ho kasi sabi nila wala silang labor issues na tinatalakay sa PAL. Pero nire-review rin yan. Baka may nakaligtaan. Lahat po ng mga ehensya at siguro by this afternoon or at the latest by Monday, talagang kailangan upuan. Ang pangako ng PAL, they have a revised schedule by tomorrow. Pero we will be sitting with them.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.